Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Insight, and today I'm going to review the Red Magic 6 Pro. So that's a really good smartphone as far of the specification which I got or which I have read or which I got to know. So today I'm going to review this phone in detail way about the design, display, security, processors, hardware, software, battery connectivities, cameras, and all the things in very detail. So let's begin. So before we begin with the review, please subscribe to my channel, which is Tech Insider. Turn on the notification bell to all. You all will get notified if I send a new video. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. Now let's begin with the review. Launched a new gaming phone. The Nubia Red Magic 6S Pro is the company's latest top-of-the-line offering, and it sits alongside the Red Magic 6 and Red Magic 6R, which were launched earlier this year. The 6S Pro comes with upgraded internals. Its performance unit now comes with the top-tier Snapdragon 888 Plus SoC under the hood. The phone also comes with updated shoulder triggers that have 450 Hz of touch sampling rate and a 2.2 ms of response time. And there's no word on the launch of the device in India. Meanwhile, let's take a look at the Nubia's Red Magic 6S Pro price, specification, and other details. Nubia Red Magic 6S Pro price. The Nubia Red Magic 6S Pro comes in 4 storage configuration. These include the 8GB plus 128GB, 12GB plus 128GB, 12GB plus 256GB, and 16GB plus 256GB options. The device is priced in China as CNY 3,999, roughly rupees 45,250 for the base model. The 12GB plus 128GB and 12GB plus 256GB models are priced at CNY 4499 and roughly rupees 50,900, and CNY 4,899, roughly 55,400 rupees. The 16GB plus 256GB model is priced at CNY 5,399, roughly rupees 61,100, and it comes in black and transparent black options. When I talk about the specification and the features of this phone, the Red Magic 6S Pro features a Snapdragon 888 Plus SoC. It is paired with up to 16GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. For thermal management, the device comes with an ICE 7.0 cooling system, which includes a phase change material which is PCM. It absorbs the heat and releases it gradually. The device also comes with a cooling fan which spins at 20,000 RPM. At the front is a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution. The phone comes with a 700 nits of bright display that supports up to 165 Hz of refresh rate and a 720 Hz of touch sampling rate. The screen also features an in-display fingerprint scanner that doubles up to measure heart rate as well. The phone packs a 4500 mAh battery with 120 watts of fast charging support. On the back is a 64 megapixel primary camera coupled with an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and a depth sensor. It also has an 8 megapixel front camera. The device runs Android 11 based Red Magic OS 4.0 out of the box. And what are your thoughts on the new Nubia phone? Do let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching till the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button if you like it, and share with friends, relatives, family members who you know. And if you want to watch my previous video about the review of the Redmi Note 11 Pro Max, click here. And if you want to watch the upcoming smartphones here for 2021, click here. My name is Jonas. This is Tech Insider, and I'll catch you in the next one.